Hi guys, welcome back. So today we're just going to be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G, and this is the Cosmic Grey version. So it's just pretty standard Samsung boxing. So let's just get straight into it. This is the phone itself, first thing you're greeted with. Well, actually I should say that there is the paperwork and the SIM ejector tool in the lid of the box, but we don't need to deal with that. So let's just see what else we get in the box first before we look at the phone. So you have your fast charger, which is USB-C. We also have a USB-C to USB-C cable, and we also have USB-C AKG braided headphones, which everybody's seen, so I'm not going to take them out. And that is pretty much everything that you get in a box. So I'll sit that aside because we're not here to see that. So here is the camera module that everybody is talking about with the 100 times zoom. That is the Cosmic Grey colour. So on the bottom you have your USB-C, and as you can see there is no headphone jack, but nowadays I think most people are just using Bluetooth, aren't they, anyway, so it doesn't really matter too much. So along the side we do have, if my camera will focus, we do have the power button and the volume rocker. Now this is a little bit different for Samsung, having them both on the same side. Now for me, being right-handed, it's totally fine, but I mean if you're left-handed you might have a bit of a problem. But anyway, on the top you've got your SIM tray, and on the left side it is completely clear. So that was just a quick unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, which the name is a bit of a mouthful, a bit like the iPhone 11 Pro Max, but hey, we'll all get used to it. So let me know if you have got this phone, or you're planning on buying it, or you decided to go for the S20 or the S20 Plus, and let me know your reasons why. Anyway, I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.